Hello! Now, the experiment that I will be performing today is the layered liquids experiment. And as is said in the procedures, I have already acquired all my materials, which include 2 different types of food coloring, water, rubbing alcohol, vegetable oil, a glass cup, as well as a longer glass container, and maple syrup. For the first part of the experiment, I will be taking the short glass cup and I will be measuring 1/4 of a cup of water into the cup. And in this water, I will place 2 drops of one of the colors that I have chosen. First one will be red. 2 drops of the food coloring. Next, I will take my mixing device, which for this video I will be using a fork. I will mix the water with the food coloring, and it creates sort of an orange color. An orange color, kind of reddish. Next, I will be measuring in my same measuring cup 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil. Simply pour it into the cup that already had the food coloring water in it. As you can see, the water has remained at the bottom of the cup, and the vegetable oil has created a layer on top of the water. See, you can distinctly see the line where they are separated. They're not mixing, and the reason that they are not mixing is because of their difference in density. For the next part of the video, I will be taking the longer cylindrical glass that I had shown beginning, and in this glass I will first be placing a handsome layer of maple syrup. Here's a thick layer of maple syrup in there. Next, take dish soap and slightly tilt the glass and allow the soap to slowly run down the side. As we see, there's a distinct layer between the maple syrup and the dish soap, the brown and blue. Now, next layer will be water that I have previously colored with red food coloring. And I will pour this slowly, also allowing it to roll down the glass because it is less viscous than the other liquids that I've already placed in the glass. There was a slight mixing between the red and the red water and the blue soap, but they're still distinctly separated due to their difference in density. The next layer that I will place into the cylinder is a slight layer of vegetable oil, which we have seen previously does not mix with the water. So now we have 4 layers, one of maple syrup, blue dish soap, the red food colored water, and a very thick layer of vegetable oil. And the final layer to be placed on top of the olive oil, the vegetable oil, is the rubbing alcohol, which is for the thinners that I have colored with purple food coloring. Ta-da! We have successfully created 5 layers of liquid that do not mix with each other. The maple syrup, the dish soap, and the water, the olive oil, and the rubbing alcohol.